here's an IndusCom that I'm going to be selling on the website. The previous owners painted the blades themselves, but they didn't really use the right paint, so it's rough. This is all scuffed up. They said it was broken, but when I put it up here and tested it, ran fine. It just went a little bit slow. Not that slow. But yeah. If you're wondering, this fan is for sale on the IndusCom website. I'm just giving it a test, so I'm gonna plug it in. Okay. Doesn't wobble or anything, probably because of how heavy it is. Yeah, I didn't do anything to it. I just put it up here and tested it. And this is how it runs. And they told me it was broken. It actually blows a lot of air. It's not the fastest, but I'm pretty sure the other IndusComs I've tested here were much quicker than this. But this one's old. I don't know when it was made, but I can tell by how big the motor is. They probably don't make it, but they probably do at the same time. Yeah, that lower canopy was not the original one. The original canopy was broken, so I just put this one on it. It's surprisingly good for how old it is. And they took good care of it too, you can tell. Because you can tell that, see the dust marks on top of the blades, they're like kind of smeared up as if they wiped it. So it's not going to be the hardest project. It's actually probably going to be pretty easy. If I just repaint it, it'll be good. And spin the bearings too, because it's a little squeaky. Yeah, it squeaks. This is the first ever ceiling fan I've gotten that squeaks, so let's do a spin down. It'll probably be really quick because of the bearings. Oh, and by the way, this is pretty inefficient. It's like 105 watts. If IndusCom could make something like this, that's like 60 watts, it would be really good. But I don't know if that's possible. Yeah, listen to it squeak. I will be replacing the upper canopy. I want to get another one like that one on the top, but I don't know where I'm going to get that. So I might sell that old one there on the IndusCom website. Because it's just, it does not work with any of the fans I have. See, it's too high for this one. This one only came with an upper canopy and the lower one broke it. Yeah, spin down is pretty quick because of the bad bearings. Yeah. Now this style of ceiling fan is actually used by many companies. I think Dayton used this, and something Caribbean something used it, and some other company. There are many companies that use this style, so yeah. Look at the top. Stickers are faded out, so I'm gonna need to print new stickers for it. Yeah, I didn't clean off the top, so you can see the dust marks I was talking about. It looks like they tried cleaning it, but they just smeared the dust instead. Yeah, this upper canopy does not fit the downrod properly either. The mounting up there is mostly original, except for the bracket. The bracket is just my testing bracket. Here it's got a black line. Reminds me of those ceiling fans. I forgot the company name. Like gold line and black line. Reminds me of one of those. This. Surprisingly, it isn't. I thought it was. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.